Before the yard does, with sugar on his cuff, stacks the empty supers by the rusted pickup truck. White suit hanging by the shed door, veil folded like a map. He reads the weather in the clover and the creek that cuts the flat. Oh, the rows are humming down by the fence line. He pours his little gold like sunlight in a jar. The beekeeper's dream, the beekeeper's dream, sweet as a field in June. The beekeeper's dream, hands full of honey, heart full of bees. The beekeeper's dream keeps waking me. He checks each box for silence, then listens for the song. A queen moves through the corridor, and the whole world comes along. Kids run past with sticky fingers, laughing through the heat. He swears the best kind of fortune has wings and 6 small feet. Oh, the rows are humming